Here we are in section 4-4, exercises numbers 20 through 28. Number 20, use the formula for temperature conversion. So what is that formula again? Looking in our books, we get that C equals 5/9 F minus 32. So we had to get that out of the book. So that wasn't expected to be memorized. That just pops out of the book. So let's stick these in and see what we get here. So number 20, we get C equals 5/9. Now we stick the 212 in for the F. So that's 212 minus 32. So 212 minus 32. Better do that over here. 212 minus 32. 2 times 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 3, too small. 11 minus 3 is 8. 1, positive. So that's 5/9 times 180. 5 times 180 divided by 9. Or, oh, hey, look, we can cancel the 9 and leave a 20. So we get 5 times 20 equals 100. 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, next one, number 21, 98.6. So we get Celsius equals 5/9 98.6 minus 32. Okay, 98.6 minus 32, that looks like 66.6. 66.6 times 5/9. Oh boy. So I don't see a quick, easy thing like we did last time, so we're going to probably have to do this the long way. 66.6 times by 5. So we get 5 times 6 is 0, carry a 3. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 3 is 33. Carry the 3, and 33 again. So we get 333 divided by 9. Okay, so let's do that one. 333 divided by 9. Okay, 9 goes into 33. What's that? 4, not quite 4 times. So 3 times. 3 times 9 is 27. Subtract, and we get 6. Drop down the 3. 9 into 63 is 7. Oh, hey, we didn't even need decimals. So that equals 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, human body temperature, all right. Okay, the next one, we get Celsius equals 5/9 negative 40 minus 32. So negative 40 minus 32, they're both negative, so they add together to negative 72. So 5/9 times a negative 72. Hey, divide by 9, and we get a negative 8 here. 5 times negative 8 equals a negative 40 degrees Celsius. Hey, negative 40 Fahrenheit, negative 40 Celsius. They are the exact same thing. That's pretty cool. All right, so using it for a cone. Now, there are a couple of different cone formulas, and we'll pull all of them out. This one was volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h. Okay, so that was the formula for volume. Then we had the surface area, the SA formula that we'll use right here, was pi RL plus pi r squared. That came out of the book. And then the last one was LSA. LSA was pi times r times L. And notice on this one, we get to use a calculator. Oh, happy day. We get to stick these things in. It has the pi in it. So yeah, let's do it. This volume is going to be 1/3 times pi times r, which is 6, squared, times h, which is 7. So we stick those in, substitute those in. Glad somebody made this formula, so all we had to do was stick it in. 6 squared is 36, and 1/3 of 36 is 12 times 7. So this is 84 pi. Sticking that into the calculator, we get 263.8937. So I'll stop right there. 263.9. Cool. Number 24. SA, so we get is going to be pi times r times L, so 12.8, plus pi times r squared. That's a 9 squared to the second power. So we know this one. This one's nice, 81 pi plus, and then 9 times 12.8. We could do that one by hand. 12.8 times 9. 9 times 8 is 72. Carry the 7. 9 times 2 is 18. Plus 7 is 25. Carry the 2. 9 times 1 is 9. Plus 2 is 11. And 1 decimal place. That's 115.2 times pi. So we can actually add those two together. That's 196.2 times pi. Now we need that calculator. That we can't times that 196.2. Let me punch that in. Times pi, and we get 616.380. So I can round to 0.4. Cool. All right. And number 25. LSA, we take pi times r, which is 3, times L, which is 7.9. So we can do the 7.9 times the 3 on our own. 3 times 9 is 27. Carry the 2. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 2 is 23. And, oh, with a decimal there. 23.7 times pi. But, yeah, that's where I'm going to need a calculator right there. Come to the end of my ability to do it by hand, and it's 74.4557. So 74.45, so that means 0.5 if we round to the nearest tenth. Okay, cool. All right, back to no calculator. Back to the grind here. Number 26, use the formulas for rectangles. So there are two of them that we need to know. The area is going to be length times width, and the other one that comes up all the time is this one with a P, that the perimeter is 2 lengths plus 2 widths. Or you could do length and length and width and width. All right, so on this guy, area equals length 3. Let's go ahead and write this out. Length times width, so that's going to be 3 times width is 5. Oh, that's nice. Came out pretty slick there, 15. So the area is 15. All right, on number 27. Notice that's the same formula. We're going to use A equals L times W. Again, that came out of the book. And so we have L is 10.7 and W is 4. So we've got 10.7 times 4. Probably have to do this by hand over here. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 0 is 0, plus the 2 is 2. And 4 times 1, 4, 2, 8, and 1 decimal place behind the 1 digit behind the decimal place, 42.8. Good. Yeah, number 28. We have 2L plus 2W is the formula for P right there. So 2L, let's write it down here. 2W, so we can stick them into, it's 2 times 8.6 plus 2 times 9. So 8.6 times 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 8 is 16. Plus 1 is 17. 1 digit behind the decimal place, so that's 17.2. Plus 2 times 9, that's 18. So adding these together, add 18 right there, and we get 0.2. Good. 7 plus 8 is 5. Carry the 1. 3. 35.2. Excellent.